Good morning, Section 4. How are you today? As you can tell, we are not having live class today for social studies, and there will not be any office hours today as well. So please make sure that you are completing the following for social studies today in place of live class. I am going to attach to this email actually is going to be a Nearpod with the audio recordings that you can listen to chapters 7 and 8 out of Number the Stars. So please make sure you listen to those. I will also be attaching the PowerPoint slides so that you can read the text along with it, or the PDF. So you'll have that choice. That's really all you have to do in place of live class, but please also make sure that your Number the Stars chapters 1 through 6 quiz is completed. That can be found in your week 1 social studies assignment folder in the Google Classroom. If you're having trouble finding the link, I'm also including that link for you in the email here as well. If you have any questions for me or need to reach me, I will be available throughout the day via email, but otherwise, if you need to reach me immediately, just leave me a message and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much and have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.